They're called the kings of the jungle. Yet they spend most of their lives lying down, snoring under the African sun. You've probably heard the claim, lions sleep for up to 20 hours a day. But is that really true? And, if so, why does one of the fiercest predators on Earth spend nearly an entire day doing nothing? Today, we're uncovering the truth behind the laziest royalty in the animal kingdom, and what their sleepy lives can teach us about survival, energy, and dominance. Let's get the numbers straight. Studies show that lions can sleep anywhere between 16 to 20 hours a day. So yes, it's mostly true, but not all of that time is deep sleep. Lions alternate between light rest, deep sleep, and periods of alert relaxation. Just like us, they experience REM sleep, the stage where dreams occur. But unlike us, they don't need much reason to nap. There's a powerful reason behind this behavior: efficiency. Lions are apex predators, but their hunting style is explosive, short, intense, and draining. Hunts often happen at night or during cooler hours. The rest of the time, lions conserve energy. They're not lazy, they're strategic. It turns out, not all lions nap equally. Male lions often sleep more than females. Why? Because lionesses take on the majority of hunting and cub-rearing responsibilities. Male lions, in contrast, spend their energy in bursts, defending territory, fighting off rival males, and mating. The rest of the time, they rest, recover, and watch. Wouldn't sleeping so much make lions vulnerable? In most ecosystems, yes. But lions don't face many natural threats. Their size, strength, and group behavior offer safety. And they rarely sleep alone. A pride functions like a living alarm system. Even in sleep, one ear is always listening. Young nomadic lions, those without a pride, sleep less. They're always on the move, avoiding conflict, seeking territory, and searching for food. Their lives are shorter, riskier, and far less restful. Without rest, even kings fall. Unlike cheetahs or hyenas, lions aren't built for endurance. Their bodies are designed for power, not stamina. Resting supports muscle recovery, reproductive health, and even digestion. Think of them as heavyweight champions. They don't run marathons. They win in a single round. In pop culture, lions are often mocked as lazy or entitled. But what we see as sloth is actually finely tuned biology. Lions have mastered the art of doing exactly what's needed. No more, no less. They don't need to prove anything. They are lions. They already own the land. So yes, lions do sleep up to 20 hours a day. But behind those heavy eyelids lies a story of power, survival, and ancient strategy. Sometimes, true strength doesn't roar. Sometimes, it just rests, like a king. If you enjoyed uncovering the truth behind lion behavior, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more myth-busting wildlife stories. Next up, hyenas. Laughing killers or misunderstood geniuses? Stay wild.